All right, folks, so again, welcome to the Builder to Founder workshop. I'm Ori Inbar. I'm the co-founder of AWE. Started in 2010, but even before that, I started as an entrepreneur in XR in 2007.
And I'm Dinesh, founder of Immersive Insiders and XRCC, and an XR developer since 2014, and yeah, running a bunch of hackathons and events since also 10 plus years.
And I met Dinesh at AWE in Europe, in Berlin in 2015.
The very first one, yes.
2015, and since then we're great friends, and now we're actually collaborating on this workshop and the program that you'll hear about today. So again, why are we here? The thing is that I'm sure you all agree there's a gap in the industry, in the ecosystem today. There's a lot of amazing projects that come out of hackathons, fantastic prototypes. They win hackathons, they get a lot of views, but very few of them actually get to market, and very few get funded. Very few actually become companies. So we think that's a huge lost opportunity, and we want to try to fix that.
Yes, so really the question is what can be done? What can help you to make the leap from builder to founder? And the goal for today's workshop is to kick off a conversation between you, the builders, the ecosystem organizations like AWE and Immersive Insiders, but also the platform players, investors, and basically the entire industry, and come up with a year-round program, basically a community, resources to make it all happen.
So why is it us here? Dinesh and Immersive Insiders, XRCC, have an amazing track record of building training content for developers since about almost 10 years now.
Yes.
And of course, running some of the best hackathons. If you haven't been to XRCC online or in Berlin, you should definitely look it up. It's one of the best out there. They call it glamathons.
Not us, not us. Our participants. So AWE is known for accelerating startups, and in the past few years also building a very strong collaborations with hackathons, and the results can be seen at the AWE Builders program in 2 days. So who here is part of the Builders program, showcasing their work and being on the lightning stage as well?
Okay, we have a
All
few.
right,
Awesome.
bunch of guys
Thanks for
here.
joining.
Cool.
Yeah, but the thing is that with this builder program, I think it's really important and really cool for the builders, but this is just a few days. And there's a lot more that needs to happen for really advancing these builders to become founders, to become real companies, successful companies in the market. And that's why we joined forces, AWE and XRCC, Immersive Insiders, to put together a year-round program with all the resources, with all the connections, with the platform, with the network to help you make that leap and get to the next stage.
Yes, exactly. So that's why we're here. And next slide also. And the important thing is that this is something that we want to build together with you. So really this whole day can be a conversation that we can have together to really see, okay, where are the gaps and how can Ori and I and the team of AWE and Immersive Insiders, how can we help to bridge the gap between builder to founder?
So this is kind of the highlights of the program that we have put together so far. But again, we would like to start a conversation today with all of you to fine-tune it, to make sure it really gives you what you need to make that leap. So again, year-round program, continuous basis, it could be there as long as you need to make that leap. The first part is the community infrastructure. We're talking about the private platforms where you can talk with peers, where you can talk with mentors, with all the resources that you need, and office hours where you can meet with the managers, the team leaders, to just ask questions. Sometimes it's the simple things that you need answers for that are needed to move forward.
Yeah, it's exactly like really many of us, we are all in the same boat, and I think not being alone, being together with many other builders who have the same goal as you, I think that can be really, really helpful to just ask questions and learn from others, and also learn from our network, from our experience as well. That's why we have a strong focus on the community infrastructure.
The second part is the founder curriculum. So like I said, XRC has been creating amazing training content on YouTube. The idea is to continue to build more resources like that, more training sessions that you can use on demand, but also live coaching, where you meet with mentors, with investors, with platform players, and get the advice that you need live. And a bunch of templates and everything that you need to build the perfect pitch or to build a business plan or to how to reach out to a platform, what to say.
Yeah, I think this is like one of the biggest mistakes that I see many builders do, and basically also early stage startups, is really neglecting all of the other things that are needed to become a successful company. Of course, you have an amazing, fantastic prototype, which is why many of you are here. Many of you are selected to be builders, showcasing your work. But that is only one little piece of the entire puzzle. And I think this is something where the combined experience of us can help a lot to bridge the gap and kind of like fill in the slots that are also needed outside of having a great idea and a great prototype.
And the third part is probably the most valuable.
100%.
You would argue. And that's the connection to the network. Really enabling all the connections that we've built in the ecosystem at AWE and XRCC and others, so you can reach out to investors, to platforms, to customers, to everyone out there that can really help you, again, get started and become a more commercial company.
Yeah, I mean, I think for this one, if you were to just look at all of the companies being here, like if you would combine the network and connections of mostly Ori also, but also the connections that we have, this is covering like 90% of the XR audience and the XR industry already. Just see all of these companies here. This is like something where we want to help you guys to be connected to those as well. Like we also work with most of the major tech companies, major platforms together. I later have a talk as well on working with enterprises, because that is also what is so fundamental to kind of like get into the door of having like the introductions to all of these big players. So this is like one angle, but I think the other one is also like, again, like Ori said, having the access to investors, to mentors, to other people in the industry as well. I mean, Ori has been in this space for quite some time also. So I think like just combining all of this together is something that I also would say is the most valuable thing on that side.
All right, I mean, a good question is who's it for? And of course, like we said before, it's for all these amazing projects that came out of hackathons around the world. This is just a few that we've mentioned, but I think there's probably today 20 or 25 XR-focused hackathons around the world, which is incredible. And thousands of hackers and builders come out of it with cool prototypes. So it's definitely for them, but also for early stage startups. And we've seen a few here in the audience, startups that may already have a product or even a product in the market, and even a little bit of revenue, but are still struggling to kind of grow it to maybe they're looking for funding, looking for a way to connect with platforms, with customers, and so on. So it's for all of you guys. This is kind of the agenda for today, which is supposed to really give you a teaser of what this program is about. You'll see the topics that will be touched on in the program. You'll see some of the people, again, some of the speakers here are the top leaders in the industry that will give you just a taste. It's really quick. I mean, those sessions are 15 minutes or less. But I think you'll get a sense of what this is about, what this program could give you. And we'll start a conversation, like we said. We're starting with the introduction, almost over. Then I'm going to do a quick 10 tips to succeed in XR that AI will not tell you about. Then we'll have Rita Turkowski that will talk about how to pitch, how to own your pitch, which is part of the story here, and touch on builder successes so you can learn from. Then we have Terry Schuster here to talk about one of the biggest things happening right now in XR, which is vibe coding with XR, and how everyone can be a builder. We'll have a quick coffee break where it's a good opportunity to chat a little bit, hear some of your thoughts on what you've heard so far, some questions. Then we have Matt Meisnix here to talk about another huge revolution that is happening right now in XR, in physical AI, but also in XR with world models. And then you hear from the platform players. We have here Google and Pico. Each will give you a 15-minute talk about how to work with them. What are the best ways to engage with them to get good value out of it. Then we'll break for lunch. We have an hour and a half. I think, if you want to go get quickly some food and come back, and then we could have a conversation, kind of Q&A with everybody, with some of the speakers, some of the mentors, and of course, us. And then after lunch, we're going to, Dinesh is going to talk about how to bootstrap. Kind of a really big way, a great way to bootstrap your company when you don't have funding or you don't want to get funding is to work directly with enterprises, with customers. So he's going to talk about that. Then we have an investor perspective here, Tipatat from the Venture Reality Fund, one of the most experienced investors in XR, which we're not sure is going to show up, but let's cross our fingers. And then the one and only Avi Barziev will be here to talk about user experience, or how he likes to call it, human experience. It's not just user experience anymore. And finally, we'll kind of bring it all together with a wrap-up and what we like to call play the long game. Because in XR, it's about playing the long game.
It dies every year, so we have a bunch of experience. every January we are dead, so let's see.
That's right. Now, what's really we really hope to get out of it, in addition to this teaser and some of the conversations, is just to get your thoughts on a survey. So we put together a survey. You can actually take a look at it right now, and we hope that everyone here and out there will just share your thoughts on the program, what you need, what you don't need.
It's really designing your own program in that way.
Of course, it's a high-value program, so it's not going to be free. So that's another thing. We'd like to kind of get a sense from you. And if it all goes well, we'll be able to kick off this program in a few months. If there's enough interest, if there's enough demand, if you are up for it. So we're going to try to get that feedback from you today.
Yes, let us know what you want, what you don't want, what you need, what you don't need, and how we can kind of like get the best of both worlds together and then help you to succeed.